Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be drawing an elephant tattoo with a lot of intricate details. Let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your study rhythm in lines, study of form, study of design. For today's artistry trivia, which Indian contemporary artist has Elephant series, which is a captivating exploration of the majestic animal's symbolism in Indian culture. Through vivid colors and intricate details, he depicts the elephant as a symbol of strength, wisdom, and spiritual significance. Each artwork in the series delves into the nuanced relationship between humans and elephants. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let's get ready to draw a playful elephant tattoo together. Let's begin by defining the face with basic shapes and curves. After defining the face, let's draw a curvy line to define its trunk. Now carefully draw the rest of the body with basic shapes, which will help in understanding the overall figure and its action. One of its leg is in the air and a little bend, so make sure to define that properly. Now let us define the trunk in air and finish off with drawing in the ear and the tail. After we are done with the rough sketch, let us make the outline more defined and erase unwanted lines. Always remember to use basic shapes to draw anything, as it helps in building the quality of construction, which very important in sketching. For this part, take your time and draw the details on the face as drawn by us. Pay attention at the quality of the strokes and keep them flowy. After being done with the details on the face, tap with an eraser on the sketch to make it light. Darken the outlines and fill the color. Now let us get started with the detail on the rest of the body. We know it's a little overwhelming sometimes to draw these many details, but don't worry, you can do this. Just put your focus and time in it. Next, do the same as we did above, erase and add more dark lines. This is a very important phase, so take your time and pause the video to refine the outlines. While refining, always remember what you are drawing, and likewise keep the lines thick and thin to give more feel to the objects. Now let us color our sketch accordingly. Another helpful advice is that to make your sketches look harmonious is to give it time and understanding of what you are drawing. And there we have it, a playful elephant tattoo. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. Now you must be wondering what next. Don't worry, we got you covered. Just hop onto our channel. We have many more such draw-along tutorials which will give you more confidence, and you can also visit our website to get personal drawing coaching to grow. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The right answer is Vasudev Kamath, an Indian contemporary artist who has Elephant series, which is a captivating exploration of the majestic animal symbolism in Indian culture. Through vivid colors and intricate details, he depicts the elephant as a symbol of strength, wisdom, and spiritual significance. Each artwork in the series delves into the nuanced relationship between humans and elephants. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.